Hi, today we're talking about hairdressers appointment form. So this is a simple appointment form which can be used to book an appointment for hairdressers. As you can see, we have got certain input fields over here which the person has to fill in and then the response can be captured. So how exactly does it work? Once all the fields are filled in over here, so after filling in all the fields, you can just go to the responses view and you can see that the response gets captured over here once the applicant clicks on submit. So let us see how it works. So first go to the form builder, click on share form, and then click on copy form link. This will copy the link of this entire form, and you can just expose this link to the particular person who is going to fill out the form. So let us wait for a few seconds as it is loading the form. So now the form has loaded up. So I'll just type in certain information over here, and then you will be able to see how this exactly pans out. So I'm just putting in the information over here. I'm going to go with preferred method of contact and service required and all these things. I'll just put everything in that. And then once I click on submit, you can see that the response has now been submitted. And if you go back to the appointment for form under the responses view, you can see the new response has come up over here. This is how simple and easy it is to work. Obviously, all the fields can be edited and customizable as per your use case. This is just a sample template file which I just showcased. If you scroll down, I have added a new tool that is PDF output. This is a tool that can help you generate PDF documents in bulk. It exercises the use of a Notion page, which acts as the source of the template file, and it also requires a Notion database, which can be used as a source of database to populate information on the Notion page. So this is a handy tool which can help you generate documents in bulk all within the Notion workspace. I've added a video of how exactly I did the same with invoices. You can definitely watch this video to understand more about the process, and you can definitely check out PDF output for the use case. If you want to contact me, you can do that by reaching out to me at notion for my use at the rate gmail.com. I can help you with any queries or any issues which you might have. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.